Can we not ruin that? Pen, pen. You can dig for china, but let's not tear it with your teeth. Oh my gosh. You can amuse yourself, can't you? Penny! 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 Hello? Excuse me? Penny! 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 Gosh. Pen? Hello? I'm Penny! Penny! Why are you not listening to me? Hello? I am talking to you. Hi. Are you trying to get to China? Big stretch. Goofball.